Sunday's precise and important news. A software to be created in order to control the prices of medicines. A spokesman for the National Food and Drug Administration says that this administration is creating a software to control the prices of medicines, in which the prices of medicines will be recorded and all the details will be known to the people by scanning the barcode. Over 200 million Afghani's revenue collected. The officials of Jawzjan Revenue Department say that last year they collected 263 million Afghanis in revenue and handed it over to the state treasury. 20 more children with heart disease introduced to hospitals. Afghan Red Crescent Society has introduced 20 more children suffering from cardiovascular septal defect to 3 hospitals for therapy and surgery treatment. For the past 8 months, ARCS has referred 893 children suffering from cardiovascular septal defect to different hospitals for therapy and surgery treatment in capital Kabul, and the whole expense of those patients is covered by ARCS. Security forces conducted an operation on the hideout of ISKP. General Directorate of Intelligence says that its forces launched an operation against an ISKP hideout in the Saidabad area of Police District 3 in Zaranj city in Nimroz province today. As a result, 2 ISKP insurgents were killed and 1 was detained. Weapons, hand grenades, and a suicide vest were also seized. Cumin worth $39 million exported abroad. The Ministry of Industry and Commerce says that last year $39 million worth of cumin was exported abroad. According to the ministry, paying attention to quality and packaging of cumin has led to the increase in the level of exports.